Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best ceiling fans of 2026. The ultimate solutions for keeping your home comfortable, stylish, and energy efficient. Whether you're upgrading your living room, bedroom, or office, or looking to cut down on energy bills while maintaining year-round comfort, we've handpicked the top ceiling fans that combine airflow performance, quiet operation, and modern design. We'll cover key features like blade span, motor type, energy efficiency, lighting options, and smart control features, so you can find the ideal ceiling fan for your home. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in and discover the perfect ceiling fan for you. Starting off with the Zmashibo 52-inch ceiling fan with lights. This fan is ideal for medium-sized rooms such as bedrooms, living rooms, or small home offices. Zmashibo is known for combining aesthetic appeal with efficient cooling. This 52-inch fan features a powerful DC motor that delivers smooth, whisper-quiet airflow while consuming minimal energy. The integrated LED light offers adjustable brightness, providing both ambient and task lighting. Its reversible blades allow you to circulate cool air in summer and warm air in winter, making it suitable for year-round use. The fan's sleek design complements modern interiors, and installation is straightforward with a standard ceiling mount. Users praise its quiet operation, strong airflow, and elegant finish, though a few mention that the remote can sometimes be sensitive. Next, the Poskai ceiling fan with lights offers a balance of performance and affordability, making it perfect for living rooms, kitchens, or offices. With a 52-inch blade span, this fan delivers consistent air circulation across medium-sized spaces. Its motor is quiet yet powerful, and the LED light kit provides ample illumination while using minimal electricity. A convenient remote control allows easy adjustment of fan speed and lighting levels, while reversible blades ensure optimal air movement in both summer and winter. Users love its reliability, simple design, and consistent airflow. However, some note that the fan's LED brightness might not fully illuminate larger rooms. For homeowners looking for dependable cooling without a high price tag, the Poskai fan is an excellent choice. For smaller rooms or tight spaces, the Storage 20-foot ceiling fan with light is a compact option that doesn't compromise on performance. Designed for bedrooms, home offices, or nurseries, this 20-inch fan features a quiet motor and 3 adjustable speed settings, providing personalized airflow without disturbing sleep or work. The integrated LED light is energy efficient and adjustable, making it ideal for reading or general illumination. Its minimalist design works well with modern, contemporary, or traditional decor. Users appreciate the small footprint and quiet operation, though it may not be powerful enough for larger rooms. Moving on to the Zmashibo 72-inch large ceiling fan. This fan is specifically built for expansive rooms or open-concept living spaces. Its long blades and high-efficiency motor ensure maximum air circulation while keeping noise levels low. This large fan includes integrated LED lighting and reversible blades, making it suitable for any season. Ideal for living rooms, entertainment areas, or sunrooms, it not only keeps your space cool, but also enhances energy efficiency, reducing reliance on air conditioning. Users praise its powerful airflow, quiet operation, and durable construction, though its size may overwhelm smaller rooms. For large spaces, the Zmashibo 72-inch fan provides an optimal blend of comfort and performance. Finally, the Adlon ceiling fan with lights takes the top spot for its combination of premium performance, versatility, and energy efficiency. Featuring a 52-inch to 60-inch blade span, this fan delivers powerful, whisper-quiet airflow suitable for both medium and large rooms. Its high-performance motor ensures consistent cooling, while the integrated dimmable LED light adds convenience and style. Reversible blades allow for year-round use, and its sleek, modern design complements contemporary, industrial, or traditional interiors. Users praise its robust construction, excellent airflow, and quiet operation, though it comes at a slightly higher price point than budget models. All of these ceiling fans are designed to deliver comfort, energy savings, and style. The Zmashibo 52-inch and Poskai fans provide excellent options for medium rooms, while the Storage 20-inch is perfect for compact spaces. For larger living areas, the Zmashibo 72-inch fan ensures powerful and quiet airflow, and the Adlon fan offers premium features and performance for those who want the best of the best. Energy efficiency, quiet operation, and smart features like remote controls and reversible blades make all 5 of these fans excellent additions to any home. And that wraps up our top 5 best ceiling fans of 2026. From the reliable and stylish Smashibo 52-inch to the affordable Pascal, the compact storage, the powerful Smashibo 72, and the premium Adlon fan, there's a perfect ceiling fan for every room, space, and budget. Which one would you choose to upgrade your home's comfort? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Check the description for current deals and grab the best ceiling fan for your home today. Thanks for watching.